What's up everybody, this is Jay, and this is a $700 gaming PC build. With this build, you will be able to play recent releases like Battlefield 4 and upcoming like Wolfenstein: The New Order, all that in max settings and in Full HD. Let's move to the parts. The processor will be an AMD FX 6350. This 6-core processor comes with 3.9 GHz and the capability of overclock as well. The cost of this one is $125. The motherboard is an Asus M5A99X Evo R2.0. Great motherboard that comes with 4 slots of memory with a dual channel support and can support up to 32 gigs of RAM. The cost of this one is $145. The memory will be a G.Skill RipjawsX DDR3 1600. With 8 gigs of capacity, this is a good choice for this build. The cost of this one is $75. For the hard drive, the Western Digital Caviar Blue with 1 TB of space will be a great choice for storing your games. The cost of this one is $69. The video card will be a Gigabyte R9 270. This card comes with 2 gigs of capacity and a memory interface of 256-bit. A great pick for a low budget build like this one. The cost of this one is $200. The power supply will be a Corsair CX 500 with 500 watts of power and an 80+ bronze certification that makes this a good choice for this build. The cost of this one is $50. The case will be an NZXT Source 210, a great case for a low price of $45. All the links for you to buy the parts will be in the description below. Note that the prices may change with time. I've made other videos showing other builds that you can do with more or less money than this one. You can check them out clicking in the annotation on the screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until the next video.